We're going to the beach. You gotta put your sunglasses on. Kacamata. Ready? Put them on. Ta-da! Yeah! Yeah! All right, you ready? Let's go to the beach. Hang loose. Trust me, you'll love it. You're gonna love it.
Mau kemana?
Mau kemana? Kemana pantai? Kemana pantai? Yep, see? Say I'm ready.
Hey.
Sudah siap. Pertama. Waktu pertama.
Pertama kali.
Di pantai. Okay. Sunscreen's in the car. Strollers in the car. Towels in the car. Toys in the car.
In the car.
Umbrella in the car. Huh. Good thing you have a bigger car than us.
Yeah.
And last but not least,
The Ruthie.
let's put Ruth in the car. Ruth di dalam di mobilnya, ya? We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Going to the beach. Do. Going to the beach. Crema menyentir. Di mana pantai ini?
Ridgeville Recreation Area.
So berapa lama?
Mungkin
Kilometer.
8 kilometer.
8 kilometer. Woo! Bumpy. Dan itu
Mungkin sarapan
sarapan, breakfast?
No, not sarapan.
Sekitar?
10.
Oh, 10 menit. Okay.
No, kilometer. 10 menit.
Oh, kilometer. 15 menit, ya? Are we gonna go berenang? Hari ini berenang? Coba berenang, ya. Dan makan piknik. Punya piknik.
This is the road I'll take to work.
I know, only in summer though.
Only in summer.
Hanya di musim panas. Karena musim dingin tidak safe. Bukan. Bumpy. This is bumpy. Is it bumpy, Ruth? It's super bumpy. Yay, you're so cool! Yay! Oh, and now they're off. What are you gonna do with those? Eat them. Makan semuanya. Di sini. Di sini.
Stroller. Ready to go to the beach?
Let's do the beach so we're closer to the water. Ruth, where are we? We're at the beach. This is the beach. We're gonna set up the umbrella, payung, di kursi pantai, selimut, airnya. Ready for a picnic? You ready for your picnic? We have keju, Ada keju, dan kacang hijau, pisang, apricot, and South apple. Yum, yum, yum. Picnic. Don't step in a hole. Don't step in a hole. Alright, let's eat picnic. Yeah. Like grandma. Todas makan, makan. Bermain di sini ya. Yeah, we're excited. Senang. Want some peas and lentils? What do you think of the water, Ruth? Is it fun? Yeah, are you gonna play in the water? Apa di dalam di sandwich?
Aku punya ayam
Ayam dan
dan daging babi, like bacon.
oh yeah, bacon. Forgot about bacon.
Dan lettuce and tomat dan
Paprika,
dan spinach
bayam, dan roti.
dan roti dan
Keju cheddar.
Keju cheddar. Enak.
Dan tidak sulit bawang di pantai. Ready? Siap untuk bermain? Yay! Bermain! Oh, bagus! You gonna bring that down there? You wanna bring the ball to the water? There you go. What you doing, Ruth? Is that dirt?
Mud.
Is that mud? Are you discovering mud? Is that mud? Kotor! Yeah, put it in the bucket.
There you go.
Woo! Wow! Oh, you gonna dump it out? What do you do with that? Can you put it in the bucket? Mm-hmm. Put it in the bucket. Should we walk down to the water with Mama? Yeah? Want to walk to the water? Oh. Look at Jammy! Who's that? Is that Grandma? Peekaboo. It's cold. Yeah, that's dirt and rocks. Little sand. Sand. Kasih. Lagi. You like that? How was your day at the beach? Was it number one? The fun? Are you sleepy now? Did you have fun today? You don't even know what to say. You're speechless. Did you have an egg? You have an egg, don't you? You have an egg. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. We're going to the beach. Going to the beach. Going to the beach. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. Piggy de pantai, yeah, yeah, yeah.